The last part that I'm going to help you model is number 4, and that has a cutting loft, and it's also a metric part. So a couple new things here that we can demonstrate with this part, and I think you can figure out the rest on your own. So first of all, to get to a metric part, when I go into a new part, I'm going to have to make sure I get into the templates and go to metric and select standard millimeters. I'll go ahead and start my sketch on the XY plane, a rectangle at the origin that is 90 millimeters by 50 millimeters. And then I can extrude that a distance of 40 millimeters. On the front side, I'm going to sketch a triangle, and I'm just kind of eyeballing this. The only thing I want to make sure is that I don't end up with a right angle. I'm just eyeballing what that triangle might look like. I know that the triangle needs to be isosceles, so I'm going to make these two sides equal to each other, and then selecting the endpoints of the side of the rectangle and the endpoint of the line segment that made the triangle. They're 10 millimeters from the two sides. And the third vertex of the triangle is also 10 millimeters from the bottom. Okay. Then I'm going to flip around to the back side. On the back side, I'm going to eyeball another triangle. And this time, my dimensions are 20 millimeters from the sides and from the top. And of course, it needs to be isosceles, so we'll use the equals constraint to make them equal to each other. Once I have that two triangles sketched, then this is a cutting loft. So I'll select my loft tool, select a sketch, click to add a second sketch, select my second sketch, and I need to cut, which of course is the second button. And that's how you get that really weird looking wedge shape cut out of that part. Okay, so that's a cutting loft.